As for system testing, we have two different scenarios for system testing, which are the sign-up page testing and the practice test system testing. For scenario one, which is the sign-up page testing, the sign-up page had a lot of system testing tests that were done accordingly, which confirmed a robust user onboarding process. That ranges from form validation that had password mismatch, invalid emails, invalid email formats, and empty spaces that return back an inappropriate error message, hence ensuring a user-friendly experience for users of all access. Security requirements such that passwords below 8 characters were refused, they were denied, and there is a loading state such that a spinner appears, hence ensuring a user-friendly experience accordingly. This all is evident in the very fast and comprehensive process of when a user signs up for the ITS, they then log in, and once they log in, they decide to delete. That all happens under 5 seconds, hence ensuring a very scalable, a very versatile, a very robust, and a very user-friendly experience accordingly. Moving on to the practice test system testing, that had a lot of course management functionalities that were validated. Apologies, that were validated for critical features such as lesson management, where adding, editing, and deleting lessons were tested successfully as per our demo video that presents how the website can attain lectures that are uploaded to the ITS accordingly. Quiz management, where quizzes are added, edited, and updated seamlessly, hence showcasing adaptability of the ITS. And resource upload, hence uploading and attaching resources to lessons worked flawlessly, hence enriching learning content accordingly. In terms of what is actually present on the table, we find that all of the expected results are met by the actual results, providing the same outcome accordingly, and the steps for reproduction are presented as to not pertain to any maneuvering that was done in order to allow the actual result to develop. Apologies, besides that, it was developed accordingly, following the same steps as per the expected result.
As we scaled the system, several challenges emerged leading to targeted improvements. Compatibility between platforms, ensuring seamless compatibility across diverse platforms was a key challenge. We addressed this by standardizing API endpoints and employing cross-platform testing tools. Flexibility for growing users. As the user base expanded, we optimized the database schema and scaled backend services to handle increased traffic. We have also the offline mode functionality, which is to support users in areas with low connectivity. We are designing offline modes with local caching for essential features. Lastly, we have the enhanced chatbot option, which is to improve user experience. We expanded chatbot functionalities to include academic support, providing quick and accurate responses to queries. These improvements demonstrate our commitment to adaptability and delivering a seamless user experience.
Moving on to the traceability matrix, the represented traceability matrix aligns requirements with testing outcomes to ensure system robustness. What is presented basically throughout this traceability matrix is that data, in terms of data storage and management, CRUD operations for user data, courses, and discussions passed according to the test cases of UT 1001 to UT 008. In terms of the user interface, testing validated that the UI is responsive, accessible, and WCAG compliant. In terms of performance under load, a backend sustained under 200 milliseconds of response times and under 60 requests per second, as presented in PT001. In terms of error handling, all user and server-side errors were efficiently captured and logged. And last but not least, in terms of system integration, Supertest ensured seamless integration of front-end and back-end testing, passing from IT001 to IT010. This matrix demonstrates rigorous validation and tests that were done accordingly to, as we said previously, aligned with testing outcomes accordingly.